In this video, I'm going to show you how to make banana peel fertilizer. Here are my banana peels. I'm going to stick them in this jar here that already has about 5 or 6 banana peels in it, so this is 3 more. So you want about 5 to 10 banana peels in your jar. I'm going to fill it with some water. You're going to let this sit for 2 weeks, and at the end of 2 weeks you can use it on your plants. Springtime is a great time to fertilize your plants. You don't want to add too much, just pour a little bit on your plants and that's good. Or when you first plant something, you can, like if you first plant a sprout, or when that plant first starts to bloom a flower, that's also a good time to fertilize, depending on what you're growing. So what this fertilizer provides is potassium. There are 3 nutrients that plants need the most, and that is nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. And this will provide mostly potassium. So let's go ahead and say potassium together. Potassium. Okay. Happy gardening.